What's up, 802 Diesel Crew? Eddie here. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Techangle. Nice view of the Techangle here. This is the black and red, obviously. They have a green and black and an orange and black as well. In here will be a certificate of calibration, your owner's manual in French, English, and Espanol. Over here is an area to keep your batteries. Mine are actually inside the torque wrench at this time. Those go in the back here. Over here I already have it on, but this is your on button. It'll go through a setting of it adjusting itself. Over here is how you adjust up and down the torque range. So this one taps out at 250 foot-pounds, and then it will just revert back down to the lowest torque setting. Over here is a light setting, so an LED lights up for those low light situations. And then over here is your button to adjust if you want to go from foot-pounds to inch-pounds to newton meters, and so on and so forth, back to foot-pounds. Real nice setup. We'll give a nice sleek view of this thing. If you can afford one, this thing will save you time and save you money in the long run. Alright, so here's a quick demonstration. I'm going to turn this thing on. It's going to zero out. We're going to go up to, if you hold it in, it skips faster. We're going to go up to 135 foot-pounds. And we're going to torque one of my lug nuts here. So there we are at 135. Right. Unless we guys can see it. And you simply pull up. It's going to read at the same time. You'll get yellow, yellow, green. Torques. Very nice product, guys. Just look into it. As always, Diesel Crew, if you like these videos, give them a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Tons more content to come. See you on the next one.